What exactly is Grok, one of the newer competitors in the AI chatbot race? Well, in today's video, we'll be going over exactly what it is, how to use it, where you can use it, and if you should be using it or its other competitors. But first off, what exactly is it? Well, you are probably already aware of the fact that it is made by xAI, a company owned by Elon Musk, and it is deeply integrated into the X/Twitter social media platform overall. You can easily access it by just clicking on that Grok button within the website, or also on your phone if you're using it on mobile. It is done that way to basically make it more convenient to ask it to do anything, instead of having to go on a different website. If you, for example, want to say have a bit more info about something you saw on the platform itself, or if you just need something quickly without switching to another window, then you can very much easily get that from Grok right from the exact same window/app. In terms of what it can do, well, it acts as a regular chatbot which you can converse with, though it is programmed to be a bit more witty than its competitors, with another key emphasis there being on the fact that it is not really restricted as much when it comes to sensitive topics, for example. It can also generate images as well, which it does a pretty good job of, though it will always leave a Grok watermark in the bottom right. Despite others getting a bit of a head start, Grok is fairly competent in terms of the kind of responses it can generate, what kind of thinking it can do, and also just what it can come up with both creatively but also on a logical level as well. There is no real clear winner between it and others right now. In terms of things like creative writing, in terms of things like planning ahead, coding, everything like that, it really is a toss-up right now between it and others like ChatGPT. Now, in terms of actually using it, well, like I said, you can just access it from X/Twitter, or you can also go to the dedicated Grok website. While before it was restricted to just paying premium users, now pretty much anyone can use it. What's more, you can also just mention the Grok account in any reply on the platform. If you spend any amount of time on there, you've probably already seen comments filled with people asking Grok about what they just saw. It has become kind of a meme at one point. There's also an expanded version called Super Grok for $30 a month or $300 a year. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about what exactly Grok is, how it works, and if you should be using it. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.